In this video, I'm going to show you the 2 ways to increase text size on your phone. Well, technically it's one way, but there is a way to make it even bigger if the first way doesn't make it big enough. So I guess maybe that's 2. I don't know. You be the judge after you watch this video. Both of these settings are in the settings. And we're going to go back to the main settings page and then scroll down to display and brightness. Then tap on text size. Here, there's a scroll bar down at the bottom, which allows you to change text size. Right up to the max, which is that big. Down here it says larger sizes are available in accessibility settings. So if this isn't big enough for you, and this affects text inside of the settings for sure in various apps, and the bigger you go, some apps might start to function improperly, or they might break because the text size is so big. But if this isn't big enough for you, we can go bigger. Let's go to accessibility, and then scroll down to display and text size. Tap on larger text, turn this on. We see when it's off, we're at max size right now. If we turn this on, the max size is just past half of the new slider, so we can go quite large. But you can see how that can make the phone a little harder to use. But if this is the text size you need, it's amazing that this is possible. You can also bold the text. Makes it stand out a little more. But keep in mind, it can break some apps when text size is this large. So adjust the text size how you want using those 2 options. I hope this video helps you. If it does, like and subscribe to let me know. And check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your phone. It's probably not something you do on a regular basis, but you should. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.